Alrighty, we are pretty much together. And ignore the clothes on the floor. It was muddy the other day with the rain. I don't want to hear no bitching. So, probably looking going, what in the fuck is this? I don't remember it looking like this coming out of my weapon. What is going on? This is part of the recoil buffer system from mcarbo. 68% felt recoil reduced. This part as well. So you need to get the spring collapsed. So this is a wire captured recoil spring. I've got a bench block from Galloway Precision for some triggers I had done on some pistols before. You need to compress this spring down as much as you can, and then you're going to slide this Allen key that comes in the kit with that little piece through a spring through the wire. So originally I thought I had to split the two wires, but no. You're just going to go between the coil and the spring and the top of that wire, allowing, there's not a specific side. Each side's the same, so just pick whatever side you like want to do. Then you're going to pull this down. You're going to rotate that black end at a 90, pop it off. You're going to install that. So I have it pulled down, and I just kind of twisted the black cap, and it separated the two wires, and it'll come right just like that. Now we install the new one. And there it is, finished, installed. So what this does is this aligns just like this on your buffer charging handle. Buffer tube charging handle lines up. That's what that little tit is for. Goes in the hole, captures the buffer spring. So now we install all this along with that washer. Alright, washer goes on the buffer, bolt carrier in. Make sure when you put the bolt in, the side that says 9mm is the same size ejection port. Slide it in. Slide this in. Put your charging handle in, ram it all. Once you shove the spring in, you locate it, twist it, pull on tap, give it a good tug, run it forward.